Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and woodworking aficionados. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an exciting project lined up for you. Crafting a beautiful wooden coffee table using nothing but scrap wood. Yep, that's right, we are going green and giving new life to discarded timber. Now, before we dive into this awesome project, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with our latest woodworking adventures. As you can see, we have got quite a collection of scrap wood here. This wood comes from various sources: old furniture, construction, leftovers, and even discarded pallets. And today we are going to turn this seemingly useless pile of wood into a stunning coffee table that you will be proud to display in your living room. But before we start, let me quickly run you through what we will be doing today. We will begin by selecting the right piece of scrap wood and preparing them for the project. Then we will jump into the design phase where we will decide on the style, size and features of our coffee table. After it's all about construction, assembling, sanding and finishing our masterpiece. So without further ado, let's get started. To build our coffee table, we will need the following materials and tools such as scrap wood, wood glue, screws, wood fillers, sandpaper, wood stains, and polyurethane finish. Tools that we need are circular saw or miter saw, drill and driver bits, clamps, measuring tape, square sanding block or orbital sander, paintbrushes, and safety gear such as goggles, air protection, dust masks, and gloves. First things first, we need to select the right pieces of scrap wood. Consider the size and shape you want for your coffee table. Once you have decided, use a circular saw or miter to cut the piece into the desired dimension. Make sure to measure and mark accurately to ensure everything fits together seamlessly. Now come the fun part, designing your coffee table. Think about the style that suits your space. Do you want a rustic, industrial, or modern look? Sketch out your design, specifying details like the table top size, leg style, and any additional feature. With our design in hand, it's time to assemble the tabletop and frame. Apply wood glue along the edges and use screws to secure the pieces together. Make sure everything is square and level. Clamps can be handy to hold pieces in place while the glue dries. Once the glue is dry and the tabletop and frame, start with a coarse grit sandpaper to remove any rough edges or imperfections. Gradually move to finer grit sandpaper for a smoother finish. This step is crucial to achieve a professional look. Now it's time to bring out the natural beauty of the wood. Apply your chosen wood stain using a paintbrush or cloth. Allow it to dry and then apply a clear polyurethane finish to protect the wood and give it a lovely shine. You can add multiple coats for extra durability. Finally, attach the legs to your coffee table frame, position them securely and use screws to fix them in the place. Make sure everything is level and your coffee table is ready to stand on its own. And there you have it, folks, a stunning wooden coffee table crafted from scrap wood. Not only did we save money, but we also gave new life to discarded materials. Plus, you have got a unique piece that is sure to be a conversation starter in your home. If you enjoyed this DIY woodworking project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.